Hello my dear children of playgroup. So how are y'all? Children, do you remember what we did last? Yes, we had learned to form letter. Which letter? Letter? Look here, letter I. Right? So first we will just quickly revise how to write letter I, and I am sure that you must have done your practice. Right? So we'll see, we'll just recall the previous class and what are the things with letter I, right? And then we will write in the workbook, right children? So we'll do some written work. So come, let's begin. So children, this is what? This is sleeping line, and make a standing line from the middle. Now we'll make one more sleeping line. You know which letter is this? Letter I. Which letter? Letter I. So how you'll make letter I? Make a sleeping line, standing line and a sleeping line. Letter I. I for ice cream. Sleeping line, standing line and sleeping line. So children, so we are going to trace over this. Line, standing line and then sleeping line. Letter I. Sleeping line, standing line and sleeping line. Sleeping line, standing line and sleeping line. Right children? I for igloo. I for iron. I for ice cream. And the last one, I for ice. Which letter is this? Letter I. Right? So, you have learned to make letter I with sleeping line, standing line and sleeping line. I for ink pot. I for ice cream. So, let's begin to write. So you will see these dots. So you will see these dots and you will trace over these dotted lines. Sleeping line, standing line and sleeping line. Sleeping line, standing line and sleeping line. Letter I. Sleeping line, standing line and sleeping line. Letter. Which letter is this? I. I for? Yes, ink pot. And what else we have learnt? Letter I. Fine. I for igloo. Right? Very good. I for ice. Yes. Very good children. This is letter I. Sleeping line, standing line and sleeping line. Letter I. Right? I. Sleeping line, standing line and sleeping line. Sleeping line, standing line and sleeping line. This is letter I. Fine? Nicely, neatly, you will draw the lines. You will make the lines over these dotted ones. Okay? Dots. And then make letter I. Fine, children? So, we have finished doing the classwork. Formation of letter I. We'll meet again in the next video. And also remember to practice the other letters that we have already done. So, children, today we have learnt letter I and what are the things that begins with letter I. So kindly practice how to write letter I. Bye. We'll meet again.
Thank you.